to my channel. Today I have a stitch fix, and I know I haven't been on my channel for a bit, but honestly life has been kicking my butt all around. But I am here today with a stitch fix, and I also have a trend send that should be coming probably later today. So I don't know which video you'll see first, but I am videoing this. This box came about 2 days ago, and I'm finally able to get a video up and share with you. So very quickly, I did have a stitch fix before this, and I sent it all back. I did not buy anything in it, and we were off to Florida, Disney at that point, and I just didn't have time to film it. But this is the next fix, and I apologize for the lighting. I know the lighting is pretty bad. We've been having rain 2 days already, and there's 2 more days of rain already that I'm seeing. It's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we're still supposed to have rain. So I'm just trying to get this video up and done for you. So apologies that this is not natural lighting, but it is just too dark not to use regular lighting in my home right now. How Stitch Fix works. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a subscription service for fashion and style. You fill out a style profile, and when you fill that profile out for the first time, you will get paired with a stylist who will style you. You normally would pay a $20 styling fee. But if you use my link in the comments, you will get that $20 back, and also $50 to shop your first fix. So will I. Let's get into it though, because I have my paperwork and I've already opened my box. So hang on, let me put my reading glasses on and I'll get everything going here for you. Okay, that's better. Got my reading glasses on, and here's what was in the box other than the bundles of clothes, and I also got a pair of shoes. But you get a mailer. So here is an envelope to mail everything back to Stitch Fix. And does not want to open, but pretty large size bag to accommodate any and all returns. And I don't want to show you, but there is a prepaid postal label on it, so it goes back. Shipping both ways is free. So let me fold that back up and put that to the side. And then also this envelope comes, and in the envelope is the Stitch Fix paperwork. And it normally says, oh, hello. And that part of the paperwork is a style card with all the items and a note from your stylist, which I'll read in a moment to you. And then the other part says, thank you for letting us style you. And this is the receipt. And this is Fix 61 for me, and this has all the items and the pricing, but we'll go over that later on. But as far as my stylist note, it is Jaryn again. I've had the same stylist for quite a few fixes. She says, hi Janine, happy fix day. I'm sorry that your last box was a miss, but as always, so grateful for your feedback and comments. Remember I said I sent a fix back. You didn't see it, I didn't video it, but everything went back. That's what Jaryn is talking about. Even if things aren't perfect, when you let us know your thoughts, it gets us one step closer to nailing your style. After 60 fixes with us here at Stitch Fix, your style has evolved and changed as well as your needs. So we're so appreciative when you share your thoughts. I kept fall layering basics in mind as I styled you today, and can't wait to kick off things with the Steve Madden blazer. I know you always keep up with the trends, Janine, so I'm sure a similar look has caught your eye this season. This rich plaid will look great thrown over the pink V-neck sweater and paired with the light wash girlfriend jeans that caught your eye during the fix preview. XO Jaryn. So that's my fix note, and that's pretty much it. We're gonna get right to this try on, and I'll be back momentarily with that. So hang on. Okay, as promised, I'm back with the first outfit, and you've seen all the style cards already before this outfit try on, so we're gonna jump right in. So, here we go on top. On top, as you saw in the cards, is the blazer that Jaryn mentioned. This is the Steve Madden Apparel Stella blazer. And this blazer is in the color tan, size small, and it is $99. Underneath, when I take the blazer off, is the pink Spirit V-neck sweater in the color off-white, size small, and $44. And also paired with, and I will pan down shortly so you can see the full length of these jeans. These are by VIGOSS, and these are the Thompson Tomboy mid-rise Destructed jeans, and they are in the color indigo, size 2, $68. So let me back up so you can see the whole outfit. And so the blazer it's very long. When I pan down more, you'll see the length, but it's below my thigh area. It's almost, not quite down to my knee, but it's like in the middle. That's the back. That's the front. And again, it's paired over the white sweater. It does have pockets. I am not sure if these are working or not, if you were to keep it. I think you can slit these, but I'm not sure if I'm keeping it, so I would not slit those open. That's the inside, and it's got the same pattern, and then further inside it's like a lining, a brown liner. Show you the sleeve closer so you can see the pattern and the color. And does have buttons. It's got a button on the inside, so if you were to want to button this blazer all the way, I think that's it. Yep. There's a button there and a button there, and that's how you'd close it. That would be it completely closed. But it is cute, and I was looking at like a coat, like a sweater type blazer coat on Trendsend Ever Eve, but it was a little heavier in nature, so I'm not so sure. It's not bad layering wise, but I don't know. I'm not 100% sold on this one, but you gotta let me know you're seeing it. But let me take the blazer off so you can see the sweater. Hang the blazer. And here we go with the sweater. I'm gonna show you. And again, I'm sorry for the lighting, but it is like an off-white cream color. And, sorry, seems to have cuffed a little, but that's how the length of the sleeve. I don't know if I'd wear it that way. I like, having my jewelry exposed, but so here is the front of the sweater and the V-neck, and here's the back of the sweater. And now we're going to talk about these jeans. So let me pan down so you can see them. So here are the front of the jeans. They are, I don't know if you can tell, but they're mid-rise, but I feel like they're on the lower end of the mid-rise. So that's the front, working pockets in the front. They do have some distressing on both sides. They came cuffed, so I put on my lower brown booties with them. The cuff, I feel like they're pretty much as skinny. They're saying they're girlfriend, but maybe just the ankle being a little bit wider, but they're pretty much skinnies. Here is the back of them. I don't know if you can see. I'm going to try to come down into the frame. But they are really low. Like my underwear are barely making it. So that the jeans. Okay, I'm back with the last outfit and the last two items in the outfit. The sneakers on the bottom we're going to discuss, and you'll see them on in a moment. But on top, I am wearing this sweater by Rails. Excuse me, this sweatshirt by Rails. And this is the Rails signature knit top. They're saying it's in the color black, size small, and this is $148, the most expensive item in the fix. Rails is a very pricey brand. So let me back up so you can see it first. I have it front tucked. I'll untuck it in a minute so you can see the full length. But here's a front tuck, and then here's the back. It comes a little below my tush area. Here is it untucked. And let me come closer so you can see the Rails word, the name of the brand, and then also the color, which I rolled. I cuffed one sleeve to wear with my jewelry. I will show you the other sleeve, but that's the color, and this is uncuffed. Well, that's it. So now you've seen everything in this fix. We're going to do a quick wrap up, and again, I'll show you those sneakers closer up. Hang on. Okay, so here are these sneakers, and I'll show you them closer after, but these are the sneakers that were sent in this fix. They are by Nike. They're the Air Max SC leather lace-up sneaker, and they're saying they're in the color orange, size 6.5, $80. And I guess they're orange because of the Nike swoosh logo is in orange, and also the Nike Air in the back. I'll show you those, like I said, closer in a moment, but just wanted to show you them on. Okay, back for hopefully a quick recap. I want to discuss how Stitch Fix works very quickly, go over the pricing, and just give my final thoughts. So, Stitch Fix, if you were to buy everything, the buy all discount is 25%. So you have 5 items in a fix. If you buy all 5, you get 25% off. You also would get possibly credits if someone used your link that I mentioned earlier, which my link is in the comments. No one did this time. I actually used all of my credits previous, so I had no credits. But the final cost of this fix was $439. That was pricing ranging from $148 from the blazer all the way down to $44 for that white pink sweater. So again, $439 subtotal. If I bought all in this fix, 25% off is $109.75. The new order subtotal is $329.25. I want to show you first, as promised, I wanted to show you these sneakers a little closer up. So these are the Nikes. These were the Nike Air Max SC leather lace-up sneaker that you saw on me in the try-on. And I'm sorry if, there we go. And again, remember I said the orange swoosh and the logo, the Nike Air logo is in orange. The rest of the sneaker is white and with some like gray trim. Now, I have a couple of pairs of Nikes, so let me show you. And I brought them in. Just bought these Nikes. These are the Nike Free. Oh, they're black and white. But I just literally bought these and I wore these to Disney. They are very, very comfortable. I love these. They go with pretty much everything, you know, because they're black and white. So I have these. I also have, and I've had these for a while. These are the Nike Air, the Nike Airs. They're just white, and I got them a while ago, but they're all white. So I have black or white. I have those two options. Now, if I can get them. I just bought these Nikes, and they're a little different, but they're a high top. So here are the Nikes that I just bought in the high tops. And these are white with the gray trim. Again, high tops. So my question to all of my viewers, and let me move these out of the way. Do I need another pair of Nikes? I do like Nikes, as you can see. I own 3 pairs already. But are these too close to my whites that I already have, the Nike Air that I already own? Again, I know these are black, but again, kind of a runner. Or, sorry, I know this is a high top, this is not a high top, but I don't know. So you're gonna have to tell me, do I need another pair of Nike sneakers? That's my first question. And again, let's put that to the side. Now, let's talk about everything else. I have the blazer, and the one thing I wanted to show you, remember I said the pockets on the blazer could be cut open. Well, so could, this is on the back, in the middle, the back slit can be cut open if I were to keep it. I'm not so sure I want this or need it. I'm short, so I don't know if this just swallows me up. Again, I was looking at a longer type coat, but I'm not so sure. So that's a possibility, and maybe you'll have to let me know. Jeans are going back. I don't like that they're mid-rise and they're almost low-rise, and I don't need another pair of jeans, so I am sending those back. I'm leaning towards sending this back, the Rails sweatshirt knit top, because it's expensive, and I know Rails, good brand, but I know I can find possibly on sale, so I'm leaning towards sending this back. I don't think I need that either. And the PINQUE, the pink sweater, when I took it off, it was full of static, and I looked, and it's mostly polyester, like a poly blend, and I do have 2 white sweaters already. I don't think I need this either, so that would go back. So it leaves me with sneakers or this blazer. And these are pretty pricey. The sneakers come in, well, the sneakers not that bad, but $80, and the blazer is $99. If I bought them together and I get no discount, I don't know if I really want to do that. So tell me your thoughts on this. I need to know. Otherwise, that's my fix. And I appreciate all of my returning subscribers. If you are not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And now I just want to say have a magical day, and bye for now.